Hey guys, I wanted to share this with you guys. Okay, I want you to check this out. I did a video because I'm getting tired of the soffit. In my backyard I got my little my awning, my hurricane shutters. So I get tired of it being the way it is. So I went out there to paint it, but seeing that it was underneath the above the awning or whatever, can't get to it, so it stays over there, so it's weather beaten and everything's dried up. So I got tired of seeing all that flakes and all when I scrape them and all that, and when you're sweating out there trying to do the paint and everything and all that. So I get tired of the scraping, and then I didn't want to use that paint removal because that gooey stuff, I didn't want to use it. So I came up with a solution. You notice the roll of tape? That's what I was doing. You see that? You see the tape? I take the tape, put it on the flakes. Okay, you notice? Put the tape on the flakes, make sure they're nice and good, and then I start to peel them off. Okay, and look at the paint. Look how the paint comes right off. I get tired of that flake foolishness down there, man. Hey, and it gets on your skin like when you're out there and in the humidity, man. Look at that. You see that? Less trouble. You see that? Just tape. Now I do it again. I went ahead and did it again. Okay, apply the tape. You know what I mean? That clear tape. Apply it on there. It is so simple, man. I'm telling you. It's like a breeze. See that? All I did, apply the tape. You know what I mean? Apply tape, pull it off, and then repeat the process, man. I'm telling you. Oh, takes a lot of stress off of that, off of you by sweeping up and all that. Look at this. See? It's another tape. You know what I mean? Do it. Check it out. Make sure it's good. See that? And then I try it again. I apply the tape. Okay, and you see more comes out, more of that flake, man. I'm telling you, that flake gets everywhere, man. In the grass, the bigger chips get in the grass and all that, man. And I try to rake them up. Nah, I got tired of it, so I had to come up with this solution. You know what I mean? Hit me up if you like it, man, because it makes sense. Look at that. Look at all the flakes. You know what I mean? Look at all that. Touch it. Make sure it's smooth. You might have a few flakes that just come off or whatever as you touch it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? There you go. There's another flake that flew off. But I make sure I touch it and graze it. Look, it's good. You know what I mean? Eliminate all of this. Take a look at this. Eliminate all of this. You know what I mean? I don't need to be doing all of that, sweeping up and all that, these big flakes. And when they get in the grass, you know what I mean? It's hard to get them. I have to rake them up. Nah, I'm enough. That's enough. I dropped that. Now, this is better. Look at it. No flakes. It's just on the tape. On the tape. That's it. Eliminate that. I don't need that no more. You know what I mean? Just this. Tape. And then once you do that, look at it. The flake stays on the tape. You know what I mean? Stays on the tape, I'm telling you. I love this. The flake stays on the tape. You see that, right? Stays on the tape. I ain't got to worry about that no more. All that flake, I have to sweep up and all that. Nah. Flake stays on the tape. It's a beautiful thing. Thumbs up for that one. Then I go back. I take a look. Make sure everything is good. Okay. You know what I mean? Eliminate that. Now I got that kills. Now what I'm going to do, the up spray. To get the one that sprays upwards. You know what I mean? Get that kills. All I do is just shake it up. Shake it up and then spray. You know what I mean? Put that kills on there. Put that primer. It's odor blocker plus stain blocker. You know what I mean? I do that. This is just a quick fix, guys. Just a DIY quick fix. Now it's all the primer is all done. You know what I mean? Primer is all done. It's just a quick fix. Just last minute DIY quick fix. You know what I mean? Trying to get small areas of the paint. That's it. You know what I mean? Now the primer is all done. Okay. Primer is done. You let the primer. It don't take long to settle. The primer don't take long to settle. Trust me. You know what I mean? Now I get ready to paint. There you have it. Start painting. I start to paint. Okay. Paint that surface. Get it real good. Get that surface real good. Okay. Make sure you get it real good. No more flake chips. Now I gotta clean surface. Do it. All done. You know what I mean? Take a look at that. Paint it. Put another coat on there. Okay. Put another coat. There you have it. Look at it. It's beautiful. Look at it. Beautiful. No flakes. Nothing. Beautiful. Primed up. You know, there's just a little something to do. Little side when you get that going. That's finished. So if you there's just a little something to do. Little side when you get that going. That's finished. So if you like, subscribe. If you love my channel, you know what to do. I'm out, guys. Y'all take care.